Okay guys, welcome back to my WordPress tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to insert an image in your website using Elementor. So it's pretty much simple. Already you installed Elementor on plugin, then it's downloaded and activated. Then let's go to our site. Let's visit the site. Now man, we have to go to pages because this temporal sites pages. Then you look for a page where you want to add an image. Then I would like to add it on the home page, then edit with Elementor. Okay. Elementor is loading. Here's it. Let's just delete this one. Let's delete even this. And the first thing you need to click on this add section. Then you add the widget. Then maybe like this widget. That's fine. Then let's go over to edit section. Then let's click and drag and drop the image. Then let's choose a file. Then you can either upload the file. Let's just upload a file. Let me go. I want to go to with this one. Then click on open. Insert. It's inserted. You can able to choose to customize to medium or to thumbnail, such small like this, or you can customize according to your size, but I'll leave it as large. You can also include a link. Maybe you want people when they click this image, then you paste the link here. This link must take them to where? Okay, but for me there's none. Then let's go to advanced motion effects. Then let's click here. Then these are motion effects. Let's try zoom in. Yeah, it's going to be like this when they open your website. Or bouncing, it's going to be like this. Or slide right or slide up, it's going to be like this. Let's leave it on slide up. Then click on update. It's updating now. It's updated. Then let's preview the site and see this image just pop up in. It's sliding in. Yes, here's the image just sliding in from this top to the bottom. So that's it guys, pretty much simple. Make sure you like, you leave a comment down below, anything related to WordPress. Thanks for watching. See you next time.